Example 2, quadrilateral PQRS is a kite with diagonals QS and PR with measure of angle QPT is 35 degrees. So QPT, if we start there, QPT is right here. This angle here is 35 degrees. Okay. They give us the following words. Quadrilateral PQRS is a kite. And they're telling us QS and PR are diagonals. Even if they didn't tell us those were diagonals, because PQRS is the kite, that means PQR and S are the vertices. The fact that P and R vertices are connected, Q and S vertices are connected, makes them diagonals anyway. Okay. Because it's a kite, we immediately know that this piece here, RT, and this piece here are congruent. We know this angle here is congruent to this angle here. This angle here is congruent to this angle here. And these angles in the middle are all right angles. So basically, if I just mark up the figure with everything I know about a kite, with the diagonals, basically from example 1, in this picture, then I go ahead and throw in any information they give me, in this case the 35 degree angle down there at P. Their questions are find the measure of angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. All right, well, angle 1 is a right angle, right? So measure of angle 1 equals 90 degrees. Measure of angle 2 equals something, measure of angle 3 equals something. So, if we look at angle 2 is embedded in triangle PQT. PQT is a right triangle, measurements of 35, 90, and unknown, right? So I know the measure of angle 2 plus 35 plus 90 adds up to 180. 180 degrees in a triangle. So again, look for a property within the figure in order to create an equation. Angle sum theorem says the 3 angles add up to 180. I know 2 of them. Good to go. So measure of angle 2 plus 125 is equal to 180. Move 125 over. Measure of angle 2 is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, the other thing they ask us for is the measure of angle 3. So we know now that angle 2 is 55 degrees, which means that this angle right here is also 55 degrees. And if you take a look, these two triangles here are similar triangles, right? Side, or we can go with the side angle side congruence, or here we go. This is congruent to itself, right? So side angle side, side angle side. So congruent triangles, so if this is 35 degrees, then angle 3 must be 35 degrees. Obviously, we have 2 of the 3 angles of the triangle also at this point. That's 55, so that's 55. 90 plus 55 plus angle 3, but that works too. So measure angle 3 is 35 degrees. You would have to get more information in order to find something over here. Because again, there's no guarantees about these angles related to those angles with these over here. So basically, these 2 triangles kind of interact with one another. These 2 triangles interact, but they don't interact this way. So when you're looking at kites, again, identify what you know and then use that to piece together information.